Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a nostalgic ride back in time with one of the most iconic cars ever built, the 1961 Volkswagen Beetle. This classic beauty, dressed in a creamy vintage color, is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. So, buckle up as we dive deep into what makes this little bug so timeless. Let's start with the exterior. The 1961 Beetle keeps that unmistakable shape, rounded fenders, bug-eyed headlights, and that curvy silhouette that everyone recognizes. This particular one is in a smooth cream finish that gives it a soft, retro charm. Chrome bumpers, classic VW hubcaps, and the small oval taillights really take you back to the early 60s. It's compact, quirky, and full of character, you can't help but smile looking at it. Stepping inside, you're greeted by simplicity and charm. The cabin is minimal, but in the best way possible. Classic ivory-colored steering wheel, metal dash, and that iconic speedometer sitting right in the center. The seats are wrapped in period-correct upholstery, with just enough cushioning to keep it cozy without distracting from the driving experience. No tech, no fuss, just pure driving nostalgia. Now, under the hood, or more accurately, in the back, is where you find the heart of this Beetle. The 61 model comes with a 1.2-liter flat-4 engine pushing out around 40 horsepower. It's not fast by today's standards, but that's not the point. It's all about the feel, the way it hums as you drive, the mechanical connection between you and the road, and how it handles with that old-school rear-wheel drive setup. The 4-speed manual transmission gives it that hands-on, classic driving vibe that you just don't get anymore. So, what does a classic like this cost today? Well, prices can vary depending on condition, originality, and restoration work. A clean, well-maintained 1961 Beetle in this kind of shape can range anywhere from $12,000 to $25,000. Fully restored show-quality models. Those can even hit the $30,000 mark. It's a small price to pay for a timeless piece of design and a ton of charm. And that's a wrap on this beautiful 1961 Volkswagen Beetle. Whether you're a collector, a vintage enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates a well-loved classic, there's no denying the Beetle's legendary status. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what classic car you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.